How long does it normally take you to pack me?
10 minutes.
Let's see if I can beat that.
Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now.
How are we doing, Chris?
Check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Come on.
Ready to go?
Come on now, let's work. Check it out.
The trolley from the Bellagio collection is ideal for traveling with elegance and style. The Macrolon polycarbonate shell is manufactured in Germany. Durable and flexible. The handle, logo, corners, and front straps are made of genuine leather. The leather corners are protected by metal rivets. The new ergonomic pull handle has a comfortable grip. The multi-stages allows all people to adapt to it. The wheels have ball bearings. Extremely quiet reduce the friction of the sliding trolley, making it lighter. The built-in TSA lock is approved by the American Customs. The smooth zipper is waterproof. The two inside compartments are separated by soft dividers with zippered pockets. Linings are made of nylon and are washable. The inner lining, personalized by Briggs with colors matching the outer color of the shell. On the inside, there is a leather business card holder. The after sales is optimized. With a screwdriver, you can replace the wheels and the TSA lock and the pull handle. To further protect your suitcase and to keep the beauty of the bag still visible, a practical transparent cover is available. Italian travel bags since 1952.
Don't let travel weigh you down. With the Winfield 2 collection from Samsonite, it's a breeze. Constructed of a flexible 100% polycarbonate shell that is highly impact resistant and extremely lightweight. Winfield 2 includes 3 spinners, a 20-inch carry-on, and a 24 and 28-inch check size. The spinner's 4 multi-directional wheels allow you to roll upright in any direction. You can pull, push, turn, glide, pivot, and roll the bag so there's no weight on your arm. They also let you make 360-degree turns, making it easy to navigate your way through an airport, plane, office, hotel, or even your home. Spinner wheels roll over any surface comfortably. These cases also come with a fully lined interior that includes a zip divider compartment and cross straps that minimize shifting of contents in flight. Fly through any airport with the extremely durable and lightweight Winfield 2 collection from Samsonite, and you'll be ready for anywhere.